Welcome to Nana's Church. I will open my present.
Who's this present from?
Well, Auntie Ua.
Okay, can you show them the box? What kind of wrapping paper is that?
A cat.
Show them like this. And what's this?
A unicorn.
Unicorn? Okay. You want to open it nicely or crazy?
Crazy.
Okay, rip it open. What is it? What is it?
Oh.
What is it?
Oh.
Show them. What is it?
My dragon name.
Okay. What's it called? Breakout Dragon Beast. Slime surprise inside. And then in the back, there's 3 dragons. Okay, you want to open it?
Yeah, that's that one.
Okay, let me help you open it first. Okay, ready? Open your egg, Lennox.
Crack it.
Yeah, crack it. Open it. Pull it.
Almost open.
Yeah, pull it open. Open it. Pull it. Okay.
And by the body part.
Open it. Ooh, it's slimy.
Slimy.
Ooh. Here.
Ooh.
It's like boogers.
Burger.
Ew. Slimy dinosaur dragon. Open it. Pull it. No, just pull it open. Pull it open.
Oh, wet.
Pull the slime so everyone can see it. Pull all the dinosaur dragon parts. That one. Over there.
Now mix
Yeah,
up.
slime on it.
Mix it out.
That's the last egg.
Let's see what color is it. Oh, blue. Lime. It's a blue burger. We have to come back for the final dragon. This is the final dragon.
What color are they?
Green.
What color is it? What color is it?
What? Orange, green, blue.
What color is it?
Orange, green, blue.
Wait, what color is it?
Orange, green, blue.
Okay, tell everyone bye.
Bye. We'll come up with final wagon.
Wagons? See you guys later. Lennox. Okay, say one more
This is the
time.
final dragon.
Ini the green one, one at the gate.